Hey there guys, Happy New Year. This is Kay and this video is going to be a very quick one. Just wanted to give income proof testimonial for Club Cash Fund in the new year of 2021. So Happy New Year to everyone. With this, I just got from the mailbox and actually got some funds from Club Cash Fund. Wanted to share it with you because you know what? I know that you're probably excited about the new year just like I am. 2020 was a fantastic year for me financially, and it's kind of weird, right? In such a bad year, people were making money, and it was hard for people to kind of realize that it's still very possible, right? Very possible to make money in whatever economy it is, especially when you're doing things online. And so that's why I wanted to share this income testimonial for Club Cash Fund in the very first week of January, right? Making money with Club Cash Fund. So just a testimonial to let you see. I got this envelope in, and you can see the postmark date. What is that? January 28th. 2020. So still making money with Club Cash Fund. Guys, if you're looking for a way to make money in 2021, I definitely highly recommend that you jump on board with me. Let me help you do this thing, because I'm actually doing a team build system where I help people to make money in Club Cash Fund. I show you what I do, what I've been doing, and you actually get all my templates. So if you actually want to do things but on your own, you certainly can do that. But I actually help you make money in 2020 with Club Cash Fund. So if you're struggling with the idea of making money, want to make money in 2021, not quite sure, definitely want to get cash in 2021, then definitely head over to my Club Cash Fund link below. There you'll see lots of information, also where I actually give out bonuses to people who join my team and show you exactly how I build it and actually help you do it. So here's to a great 2021, guys. Looking forward to helping lots of people with Club Cash Fund. So if you haven't found a sponsor, definitely get with my team. My link is below that will show you. So I'm not just sending you to the company site for you to just join up. I'm actually going to show you what I'm going to do to help you in 2021 build this thing and make money. So bye for now, guys. I see you again with another income proof in 2021.